Maybe I should do that one. This one it just fall off. Just put it back in, the taggy stuff.
Well, this one might as well do yellow or gold.
Go yellow.
Either yellow or gold.
No red. And then no wet top coat. Something's really cute on the background. You can see that. Yellow. Yellows or like rose gold, champagne, stuff like that. Which one should we do?
Take your pick.
I can do anything.
Okay.
This I can do. I like them all. This one? Do we have? Oh, we don't have that shape on this hand yet. That one is so cute. Randomly. Which one is your favorite so far, everyone? Can you ask? Can you see if anyone answered? I didn't get to see the comment though.
Give them a sec.
No, I was asked earlier, but I didn't get chance to look at the comment. Okay. Okay. Here for 30 seconds. You see how simple it is.